It's hot! It smells great! It does? Oh, it's from the kitchen!
Watch out! It's really hot.
But we want to eat now!
Sit and wait over there. I will bring it to you.
Yeah!
So hot and so tasty, corn soup for everyone. Be careful of the hot soup, be careful of the hot pot. Sit down now, just wait until Dad comes. Here you are, enjoy the tasty soup.
Before eating the soup, cool it down first. Cool it down.
Now, let's take a bath.
Loo-la-la-loo-la-la-loo-la-loo. Let's play splashing, splashing. Let's play splashing, splashing. Blue is cold, cold side of the tap. Red is hot, so be careful not to touch. Loo-la-la-loo-la-la-loo-la-loo-la-loo. It's hot water, danger, danger. It's hot water, danger, danger. I got hurt, it's turning red. I'm so scared of hot water now.
It hurts, Dad. Timmy's got scalded.
You need cold water to cool it down. Turn on the cold water.
Put your hands under it with cold water. Wash it in cold water. Soak it. Now find a clean towel to cover the scald. Don't cry. Be careful next time, please.
Mimi, Timmy, hot water's dangerous. Don't turn it on.
It's hot and dangerous. I won't do it again.
Hot, it's so hot, it's so hot. Be careful of the hot soup. Be careful of the hot water, please.
The tomato soup is hot. Be careful, please. Okay.
Mimi, Timmy, you're great.